moment comes when we step out from the old to the new.
Beginning with our independence, we chose aggressive industrialization, building cities of steel, walls of concrete, fueling the growth of our domestic economy.
We have to harness all our latent resources for a second industrial revolution.
As we opened up to a whole new world of possibilities, we gave birth to the all-important Indian consumer. We found new avenues of spending and consuming. But this one-sided race to grow destroyed our ecosystems, which threatened our very survival.
Authorities now say the toxic gas that escaped from a Union Carbide plant on Monday has killed at least 1,600 people.
At one point, an official said one death was being recorded every minute from the poison gas leak in the city of Bhopal.
And yet, the story doesn't end here. From time to time rose many heroes.
Best known for his work on the environment, long before it was fashionable to be an activist in that area. I'm delighted to welcome Mr. Sundarlal Bahuguna.
They fought for our planet and for sustainable development.
Who have come together, students, young people, as part of the hashtag climate strike.
What do we want? Climate justice! When do we want it? Right now! There is no! I think!
And this is the story of one such band of heroes.
India Hike started about 10 years ago, and there's really no fixed date of starting India Hikes, and I'll have to explain this a little bit. Much before India Hike started, I was trekking with my friends. I was taking groups of people going along with me. So that's when I had taken a group of friends of mine, I came back, I wrote a blog about it, which became a very big sensation. It was a blog on the trek to Rupkund in Uttarakhand. So when this trek became a sensation, it also had a very big catalytic effect on the local people over there. Villagers would tell me that, look, we are aware of internet, we are aware of the power of internet, but this is something else.
Okay, Google. I'm looking for an adventure.
Why don't you go for a trek?
You can see 60% of Himalayas from one place.
Anyways,
what? I'm not sure.
There is Mistress GT.
He's like, what's your name? I was like, Kamya. He's like, I think I follow you on Instagram. I was like, shit.
I think being in the mountains has always been a very rejuvenating experience.
That's when I realized the power of credible information.
Sound.
Rolling.
Camera.
Rolling.
Sandhya, you ready?
Yeah.
Action.
We started out with the Rupkund trek. That is the first trek India hike started out. And what we love about Rupkund are the meadows of Ali and Beti Bughyal. We just love the grass. Whenever we go there, we tell everybody to just take off their shoes and walk on the green grass.
Oh, this feels so good.
Now, suppose you're walking on such a place and you find that the place is littered. That's something we would all just hate. And this is what used to happen in the first few batches when we used to run our treks. And we would just ask our trekkers to collect that litter.
See, our mountains have taken a drastic change ever since the growth of our economy.
I have seen the villages change. Every time I go, that place entirely changes. Because once roads reach anywhere, you are bound to have people visiting, you are bound to have products reaching there, you are bound to have an economy, a local economy that's going to thrive.
नमस्कार, आकाशवाणी से अब प्रस्तुत है बदलता हिमालय।
And I am at, of course, Lake Khardungla, highest motorable road in the world, at around 18,300 feet. Now here's day one for you.
It and make it worth it, no? So that's the kind of stuff, and just go back to your old ways. Really, our ancestors had it sorted, to be honest.
Seriously, man.
Everything, man. Seriously.
Sirs and everybody might have seen.
Yeah.
That, they are actually seeing the change. I think. पहले कैसा था?
Yeah.
अभी कितना बदल गया है? Literally from nothing to all this.
Yeah. And don't follow these marketing strategies. Non-sticky.
A lot of tourists are coming and they are not realizing what they're doing to the environment.
You see all the wrappers and bottles that is thrown here, it's mainly out of the vehicles.
And this is actually a thing that is carried over from the cities. That same attitude comes here.
See, these people have a hard life. People they have never even seen outside their village. They don't even know global warming. They don't even understand what is a landfill. They would welcome any kind of livelihood. They will welcome any kind of economy. They will welcome any kind of growth for themselves, their families, their children.
ए हिमालय फसीले किश्वर है हिंदुस्तान, चूमता है तेरी पेशानी को झुक कर ये आसमान।
जब वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट के या साफ सफाई करने के जब काम शुरू नहीं किया, तब हम भी कभी नहीं सोचे कि एक हमने प्लास्टिक का कैरी बैग लिया, इसका अल्टीमेट फेट क्या है, इसको क्या हो रहा है। ये हो सकता है कि आप लोग एक स्टेज पे आएगा कि आप लोग वेस्ट के ऊपर ही बैठे रहेंगे।
So in the mountains there are two kinds of waste people manage their waste. One is they either throw it down the mountainside or they burn it, and both of them are bad for the environment. When they are burning it, they are releasing a lot of toxic chemicals into the air because predominantly the waste that they are burning is plastic.
Protesters here have come out here to say that is not enough.
What do we want? Climate justice. When do we want it? Right now. There is no. Come again. Plastic se.
Now let's look at the other ones, which is throwing down the slope. That when you throw down the slope, soil also gets polluted because those plastic items, they start to break down into microplastics. It basically sort of does not let water to seep through. So you're going to have lots of soil erosion, silt erosion. Not just that, water kind of, it is going to go through these plastic waste and other wastes, which are going to be partially decomposed. And all of this is going to sort of create a leachate, which is going to get collected and end up in the stream.
This happened starting Jan 20th when I was in Uttarakhand. It started Jan 20th to Feb ka May. It just went on and on and on, and there was rains. Last year, the rhododendron flowers, the national flower of Uttarakhand, the red ones which you see everywhere here, that bloomed in February. It should bloom in March and in April.
Yes. We live in a market where now people are encouraging air purifiers.
Yeah.
I mean, we've reached the point where we've made it so bad that we can't breathe our own air. But to think about it, like, plastic is something we created, no? It's not a part of our natural living.
We are not at all thinking about themselves. We are just thinking about myself and myself.
Yes.
This is the bad thing.
I mean, the easiest way is to say कि भगवान गुस्सा है, भगवान खुश है.
See, now we've reached a point, like, at least when you were younger, you knew garbage is a problem, but tab tak the problem was not like in your face. Overheating was not happening that obviously. But now you reach a point where there's no option.
For a very long time, I was looking for something that allowed me to work with the ground reality. So when I came back from my master's back to India, I was looking for a job. And when my friend told me about this Green Trails internship she had come across and asked me to check it out.
Let's say you're planning to go outdoors, or let's say you're planning to go on a trek in the Himalayas. What all the things you will think about is, what is the right gear? You will think about, am I going to be safe? You will think about where am I going to camp? What is the weather? But very rarely do people think, what am I taking inside? how am I trekking? Am I leaving a big impact on the mountains? Am I causing any damage to the mountains? These questions are currently not something asked or thought about by anybody who's going on any of the treks. So Green Trails is our vision or mission to leave the mountains better than we found them.
Now, while this vision is very straightforward and simple, what we are talking about is from the perspective of the trekking world. We want to see how trails are maintained, we want to see how campsites are maintained, we want to see how you manage the toilet systems, how you manage the food systems, you see how the litter which is already on the trail, how that is picked up, how that is segregated, how that is accounted for. Do you recycle them, do you upcycle them, do you put it to the landfill? So all these things that happen.
So here's Arjun, Chinmay, Nipun, Sankit and Ashish, all of them cleaning up garbage that you can see here.
Today, my team is working to reduce the waste from getting generated altogether.
It was what I saw, a trekking organization that wanted to create an impact.
We've made it extremely convenient for people by giving them an eco bag. All they need to do is put it in there.
The beauty of it is to break it up into a small responsibility for each trekker and execute.
Green Trail initiative is like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan.
It was yes all the way, and I was very excited because I was, to be honest, I was even thinking of taking a photo of the green bag and posting on my Instagram.
With Green Trails, I think the biggest impact that we've had is the amount of waste that we've got down, all with the help of trekkers and our staff. Hello Utkarsh, what's happening here?
Hi Zat, see this is the amount of garbage we have lifted from, Bedni Bugyal camp.
Super fun! Namaste! I'm Kelly. And I'm Diane. We're from the United States. And this past month, we got to work with India High. Yeah, on the Dariatel to Chandrashila trek. Yeah, I was the Green Trails Crusader. And I participated in the Assistant Track Leader program. Yeah.
1, 2, 3. कचरा है आगे पीछे, हमें ग्रीन ट्रेल के पीछे, कचरा उठा ले मेरी जान, हाय रे नजरे परेशान.
So to see that Green Trails have had that kind of impact is good.
Now, while we were setting up all these protocols of the mountains, we realized there are three important stakeholders in this world of trekking. It's the trekkers themselves, it is a trekking organization, it is the villages which are on the trekking trails, and it is the government. Actually 4 if you look at it.
I would say that it is pretty natural for us to get into the waste management or green trails aspects of the base villages, because with this growing economy reaching the base villages and the tea houses on the trail, they cater to both the trekkers and their own selves.
Whenever we approach a village, the villagers often feel helpless as to what they can do with their waste.
जैसे मैंने बताया ऑर्गेनिक तो हम लोग अपने जो याक वगैरह है उनको खिला देते हैं, और जो प्लास्टिक और जो वो है हम इंसिनरेट कर देते हैं, उसको जला देते हैं.
When we came to Tumling, the problem was that the people here didn't know that waste is a problem.
So one of the things that we first do is basically show them what exactly is the problem of waste.
So we've come here to talk about the garbage issue.
Second thing that we do is also share with them possible solutions. We tell them how recycling works. We show them how recycling works. We show them how upcycling works.
इसको पीस करते हैं क्योंकि बड़े बड़े इसमें घुस नहीं सकता, इसलिए आप इसके पहले रोल करना है और इसमें डालना है. इसमें सब प्लास्टिक और थोड़ा थोड़ा
कपड़ा थोड़ा थोड़ा पीस करने से थोड़ा थोड़ा लगाता है.
Last thing is we actually teach them how to segregate their waste, what to do with their waste that is getting segregated.
हमारा से भी 6-7 बोरी हमारा इधर गांव से जमा करके हमने भेज दिया. वो था वो बेंगलोर का एक भाई और मुंबई का कल्याण के रहने वाला एक बहन था. वो दोनों लेके गया सफाई.
तो इस एरिया पे इन लोग अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं क्योंकि ये जो बॉटल ब्रिक्स का आइडिया है हमने उन्हीं लोगों से ये किया.
So this is how we started, and soon it started growing beyond by step, and then we got into the schools, we got into education of the little children over there, and then involving the women's self-help groups and stuff like that.
The idea of bottle bricks actually comes from the India Hikes, the Green Trail program which they do in the mountains. Last year, in the month of October, there was a football tournament. So there, the India Hikes team actually they had gone to every school of this locality. They motivated the students to collect waste, make bottle bricks out of it. We had collected around 400 bottle bricks.
चलो मेरा नाम आर्तिका है. अब तुम बताओ तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम तारा सिंह बिष्ट है.
और आपका नाम क्या है? विक्रम सिंह बिष्ट. आपने ऐसे इतने मुंह क्यों छुपाया हुआ है? ये जब आप एक चिप्स खाते हो, चॉकलेट खाते हो, तो ये बाहर वाला पन्नी किधर फेंकते हो?
कूड़ेदान.
पक्का कूड़ेदान में. टीचर ने सिखाया या मम्मी ने सिखाया?
कहाँ है आपका?
और कूड़ेदान कहाँ पे आपका?
स्कूल.
और ये वाला कूड़ेदान दिखाना जरा. इसमें चुटकी किसने फेंकी है? तुम लोग चुटकी तो नहीं खाते ना? चलो आपको 10 out of 10 मिले, ठीक है?
In terms of the communities that we have engaged with, we always see that the children are the most eager to pick up the knowledge. They are most eager to participate in all our activities. They are also getting increasingly aware about the problems of waste in the mountains.
During a periods, what do you use? Menstruation cup. So, मोमो अंजला आंटी ने मुझे फर्स्ट वो मेंस्ट्रुएशन कप के बारे में बोला था.
तो इन लोगों ने सेशंस दिए, स्कूल्स में सेशंस दिए. तो अभी तो ऑलमोस्ट इतना रिमोट एरिया में भी सब लड़की लोग यूज़ कर रहे हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ ये सैनिटरी पैड्स.
जैसे कि वाई का कुरकुरे जितना भी ये प्लास्टिक का वो है वो इधर उधर ना होने दे, इसीलिए हम लोगों ने ये प्लास्टिक के बोतल में उसको ठूस के भर के एक इसी के ये रिसाइकल भी हो रहा है.
ये अच्छा है बहुत. ग्रीन टेल जो है ना अपना इन्वायरमेंट नॉट ओनली यहाँ के लिए, वो तो सब ऊपर तक सब आदमी को कन्विंस कर रहा है क्या ऐसा करना, ये हरा भरा पहाड़ को अच्छा रखना, स्वच्छ रखना.
And that competition has given a very positive impact on the students.
वो रिसाइक्लिंग के लिए एक पिकअप ने सन्दकपुर से लेकर अप टू सिलीगुड़ी अभी तक पहुंच रहा है. ये हमारा खुशी का दिन.
प्लास्टिक अपने गांव साफ भी हो रहा है और अच्छा कर रहा है. ये रामप्रो भाइयों एकदम रामप्रो. और ये बोल रहा है कि अच्छा हो रहा है, अच्छा किया है हम लोग.
आते हैं बोल के जाते हैं, 1-2 बार कर लेते हैं, बस हो गया. जैसे कि मैंने अभी यहाँ पे बोटल्स कलेक्शन करके रखा है. ये अभी कितना दिन हो गया यहाँ पे टूरिस्ट लेके आया दारू पी के, ये वाला वेस्ट हम यहाँ पे कलेक्शन करके लेके अभी तक उठाए नहीं है.
एक्चुअली ऐसा बहुत हो नहीं पाता है क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे प्लास्टिक होते हैं, बहुत सारे बोतलें होते हैं, तो वो अच्छी तरह से लेके जा नहीं पाते हैं.
So the expectations they have from us and the expectations that we want to set with them are two different things.
In many places when we take children for cleanups from schools, a lot of the adults and parents make a big scene. They come to the middle of the market, they create a loud racket saying we are getting children to clean up waste, which is actually our job.
Our Gadi was stopped by the local police and we were harassed quite a bit saying why are you carrying this load, from where are you getting it from?
So it's this
almost this rebellious attitude that most people have.
They're just challenging us. Some of them do it out of spite. Some of them do it because they don't understand. Some of them do it because they don't care.
One of the biggest inflection points that happened in a Green Trails journey was when we were faced with the Ladakh crisis. By then we had started a Green Trails project. We were into Green Trails wholeheartedly. We are coming up with one innovation after another. And we came up with a wonderful innovation which we tried out on the Chadar trek. This trek is done on a frozen river bed of ice where people go from one place to another in the deep Zanskar region of Ladakh. I'm on the Chadar frozen river trek. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning and the temperature is -10. Come over, I'll show you. Watch this hole as the river is flowing underneath this, and I can touch this water without feeling any adverse effects. And you feel like you're walking on clouds. It's brilliant. On this riverbed, there is really no place to defecate. So what we did was, we thought that people could actually do this job inside a toilet tent, provided they were given a biodegradable bag in which they could do their job. Do your job inside these biodegradable bags that you see here. These are not plastic bags, but these are made out of corn starch, and they disintegrate in 2 or 3 months after use. And we tried out this experiment in Chadar and it was a wonderful success. But there were people in Ladakh who saw otherwise. They came up with this preposterous idea that India Hikes was actually littering the place with these bags. And they said, you're using plastic bags, and they created a huge ruckus. These pits were dug up, these whole bags were exposed to the world, photographs were taken, they were put up on social media, and a whole negative campaign against India Hikes was started. The lies became the truth in front of the people. They arranged sloganeering, they arranged village people to hold placards against us, and started roughing up our trek leaders, started roughing up our trekkers, obstructing the way of our vehicles and coming into it. It was a whole big thing because they also were demanding money from us which we were not willing to give. That's when India Hikes decided that we will not work in Ladakh. But that day, when we stepped out of Ladakh, I remember it was the September of that year, we stepped out, we made a promise to ourselves. And the promise was very straight, that this Green Trails journey will carry on and it will have a much larger impact in the world, in the society and everywhere else. And today, the whole world can see how much impact Green Trails have had in the lives of people.
Hero means?
Arjun Kapoor.
Salman Khan.
इसका body.
I have no hero.
Hermann Bull, who is an Austrian mountaineer.
My dad.
हीरो वो होगा जो साफ समय में ध्यान देगा, जो होगा वो प्लास्टिक डस्टबिन में डालेगा, कूड़ा जो नीचे से उठाएगा, वो एकदम सबसे बड़ा हीरो कहलाएगा.
I would say hero is somebody who can put somebody else's interest above theirs in whatever form and at any point of time, and is able to do what is right than what is easy.
The trees blossom for others to see. The rivers flow to quench others' thirst. Paropkarartham idam shariram. My life can be of any use to everybody around, then that life is a life of content.
Good evening, everybody. How many of us have tried to bring about a behavioral change in our own lives? Just think about the last time you had to get out of your bed for an early morning run. I head the Green Trails team. The Green Trails project is an independent division of India Hikes, one of India's largest trekking organizations. Our approach to solve the problem was simple: educate villagers and trekkers, provide a system to collect waste, transport the waste to the landfill, and maintain it over time. To me, it was a matter of providing the right infrastructure and putting in the right system. But it turned out to be a difficult and a costly task, an unsustainable one at that. It required us to look at the problem in a completely different way. It required us to change the behavior of people. And this is not simple.
See, there's a problem. But the problem is not really as much of opposition as it is of lack of awareness.
It's easy if you want to work with environmental conservationists. It's not easy to work with people who don't believe that there is something like environmental conservation and that it's required. When I went to Rupkund and the Lohajan base camp we were segregating, I saw that we had all kinds of waste. You had stinking, you had sanitary pads, you had a lot of kind of different wet, dry, organic, inorganic, all kinds of waste put together. And we were putting our hands in and separating it. That's when it really hit me. I'm like, this is not okay. This is not okay that I am doing someone else's job.
क्योंकि वेस्ट 100% लोग जनरेट करता है, वेस्ट का डिस्पोजल के बारे में 0.01% सोचता है. तो ये जो 0.01% है, इसको थोड़ा बढ़ाना पड़ेगा.
In a society, we are all interlinked. Your choices are going to affect me in the long run, one way or the other. And it's high time we recognize that, and it's high time we address that responsibility and take that responsibility.
So now what we expect the community to be is self-reliant. We get into the training, we get into the awareness, we get into the education of it, we show them the systems, we show them the processes, we even experiment with it, we even handhold them for some time, but then we exit and we say, now you manage it on your own. We are only the facilitators, we cannot go beyond that because our focus is on the mountain trails, our focus is in making sure the mountains are kept better than how we find them.
See, waste management is a problem where you can't expect one entity to come and provide the solution for it. It's not something that, like I have like a magic solution, okay, immediately entire waste is going to disappear from the earth. It requires a massive collective effort from everybody.
The idea of sustainability is connected to uncomfortable, expensive, organic living, and it really isn't if you actually start doing it yourself. And it is an extremely difficult shift. It's not just behavioral change, but it's your perception of how you look at things. You need to have that experience, that sudden click where you're like, okay, you know what, that's why I should care. And to be honest, there really isn't a requirement for the entire world to go 100% sustainable. We just need a handful of people doing imperfect sustainable practices and not one person doing all the sustainable practices in the world.
हमारा ऑफिस जो है वेस्ट फ्री ऑफिस है.
हम सब मिलकर के इसको एक जन आंदोलन बनाएंगे.
Our country has changed and our country has changed for the better. I have seen this across the country. The consciousness has seeped in and it has seeped in deep.
turn off the water so you don't waste water also.
Cans and bottles or whatever empty other empty packaging that you have.
हम सबको प्रण लेना चाहिए कि जैसे हम अपने घरों को स्वच्छ रखते हैं वैसे ही अपने भारत को भी स्वच्छ रखेंगे.
And I almost foresee 10-12 years from now, I don't think we will need green trails. I don't think you'll need an organization like us to push as much as we are pushing now.
We don't want to be heroes here. We want everybody to be heroes. And we believe everybody has the capacity to be a hero. And I think we just want to make them realize it.